How to print and cut magnetic bookmark with your Cricut machine. Step 1. First upload the image you want to use in Cricut DesignSpace or create the design using the tools available in Cricut DesignSpace. Step 2. Once the design loads in the canvas, resize it from the toolbar. Step 3. Click on Offset drop-down menu, set the distance and click Apply. Step 4. To change the color of the offset, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section, choose the color you want. Step 5. If you have selected a white offset color and you want a better view, click on the blank canvas on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 6. Go up to the toolbar, click on the Color Swatch button and change the color of the canvas. Step 7. Next, select both the layers and click on Flatten on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 8. Drag down the design a little bit, then click on Duplicate in the Layers panel. Step 9. With the duplicated design selected, click on the Flip drop-down menu and select Flip horizontally. Step 10. Then go over to Rotate and set it to 180 degrees so the design is upside down. Step 11. Now to connect the design, go over to the Shapes tool and select a square. Step 12. Resize the square depending on your design and position it in between the designs. Step 13. Select both the designs, click on the Align drop-down menu and select Center horizontally. Step 14. Next, select the shape and click the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color to match the offset. Step 15. Right-click on the shape and select Send to Back. Step 16. Select the three pieces together and click on Flatten. Step 17. If you want to make more bookmarks in the same design, duplicate them and resize them if you wish to. Step 18. Next, select all the designs and click Flatten. Step 19. When you're ready, click on Make It. Step 20. Click Continue in the Prepare screen, then click on Send to Printer. Step 21. In the Print Setup window, make sure that your printer is selected. Turn off Add Bleed, turn on Use System dialog and click Print. Step 22. In the Print pop-up window, ensure that your printer is selected, then click on Preferences. Step 23. In the Printing Preferences window, change the paper type and quality. Step 24. Go to the More Options tab, then turn off High Speed in Additional Settings. Step 25. Go ahead and press OK, then Print to print the bookmarks. Step 26. Take the printed bookmarks and a magnetic sheet and peel off the protector from the magnet sheet. Step 27. Peel off the backing sheet from the printed vinyl sheet. Step 28. Place the vinyl with the sticky side up, then grab the magnetic sheet and lay it down on top, sticking the sticky sides together. Step 29. Now go to your Cricut machine and insert the deep point blade in clamp B. Step 30. Place the material on the mat and load the cutting mat by pressing the blinking up and down arrow button. Step 31. Wait for the machine to read the registration marks, then press the blinking C button to start cutting. Step 32. Once it's done cutting, double-check the cut to make sure that it's cut thoroughly before unloading the mat. Step 33. If you're happy with the cut, press the Load and Unload button to eject the mat. Step 34. Then go ahead and peel off the excess material from the mat, then flip the mat and peel off the magnetic bookmarks. Step 35. Now fold the magnet bookmark, line it up at the bottom and fold it in half. Step 36. Grab a book and open a page, then put the magnet on the back of the page, fold it over and see how it holds. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480